marvelous kitchen! Chinese New Year is right around the corner, and we are gonna make my favorite vegan and gluten-free Chinese New Year cookies. These cashew and peanut cookies are fragrant, yummy, and oh so pretty. Now these are our ingredients: raw cashew nuts, raw peanuts, rice flour, icing sugar, salt, vegetable oil, and decorative sugar flowers. Now let's get cooking! First we will spread the peanuts and cashew nuts evenly onto a baking tray. You could use any nut combination you like, such as hazelnut or almond. Toast the nuts at 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then allow the nuts to cool. Secondly, grind the nuts in a food processor till it becomes a fine powder. Thirdly, pour in the ground peanuts and ground cashew nuts into a large bowl. Then add in the rice flour, icing sugar, and salt. Finally, add in the oil and mix it until it's well combined. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. We are gonna knead this well until it forms a dough. This is how the dough will look like. It's tasty! Lastly, shape the dough into a little ball. Then top it off with a pretty sugar flower and press down gently. Ta-da! Aren't they pretty? Now we're gonna bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 170 degrees. See you later! They are out of the oven. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Now there you have it, our Chinese New Year cashew and peanut cookies. They are fragrant, yummy, and oh so pretty. Did I forget to mention that they're vegan and gluten-free too? Store them in airtight jars and give it away as gifts, or keep it all for yourself. I'm sure it'll be a big hit. That's all